Welding. Question: in gas tungsten arc, GTA, welding, a stream of inert gas is used to answer: prevent the formation of oxides in the puddle. Question: which statement best describes magnesium welding? Answer: filler rod should be the same composition as base metal. Question: which statement best describes magnesium welding? Answer: it can be welded successfully using the same type of joints that are used for aluminum. Question: which statement is true in regard to welding heat-treated magnesium? Answer: the welded section does not have the strength of the original metal. Question: the oxyacetylene flame for silver soldering should be? Answer: neutral. Question: why is it necessary to use flux in all silver soldering operations? Answer: to chemically clean the base metal of oxide film. Question: engine mount members should preferably be repaired by using a? Answer: larger diameter tube with fish mouth and rosette welds. Question: what method of repair is recommended for a steel tube long rod dented at a cluster? Answer: welded patch plate. Question: welding over brazed or soldered joints is? Answer: not permitted. Question: which statement concerning soldering is correct? Answer: joints in electric wire to be soldered should be mechanically secure prior to soldering. Question: a resurfaced soldering iron cannot be used effectively until after the working face has been? Answer: tinned. Question: which of the following can normally be welded without adversely affecting strength? 1. Aircraft bolts. 2. SAE 4130 chrome/molybdenum tubing. 3. Spring steel struts. 4. Most heat-treated steel/nickel alloy components. Answer: 2. Question: in selecting a torch tip size to use in welding, the size of the tip opening determines the? Answer: amount of heat applied to the work. Question: why should a carbizing flame be avoided when welding steel? Answer: it hardens the surface. Question: the most important considerations when selecting welding rod is? Answer: material compatibility. Question: when selecting a welding rod, one of the most important factors to consider is to ensure that? Answer: the proper AMS specification number is used. Question: the oxyacetylene flame used for aluminum welding should? Answer: be neutral and soft. Question: a very thin and pointed tip on a soldering copper is undesirable because it will? Answer: cool too rapidly. Question: filing or grinding a weld bead is considered to be? Answer: a way to bring about strength reduction in joint. Question: acetylene at a line pressure above 15 psi is? Answer: dangerously unstable. Question: cylinders used to transport and store acetylene. Answer: contain acetone. Question: a welding torch backfire may be caused by? Answer: a loose tip. Question: which statement concerning a welding process is true? Answer: the inert arc welding process uses an inert gas to protect the weld zone from the atmosphere. Question: where should the flux be applied when oxyacetylene welding aluminum? Answer: painted on the surface to be welded and applied to the welding rod. Question: what purpose does flux serve in welding aluminum? Answer: minimizes or prevents oxidation. Question: why are aluminum plates a 1/4 inch or more thick usually preheated before welding? Answer: reduces internal stresses and assures more complete penetration. Question: how should a welding torch flame be adjusted to weld stainless steel? Answer: slightly carbizing. Question: oxides form very rapidly when alloys or metals are hot. It is important, therefore, when welding aluminum to use a? Answer: flux. Question: in gas welding, the amount of heat applied to the material being welded is controlled by the? Answer: size of the tip opening. Question: when welding or cutting, the acetylene pressure gauge should never be set higher than. Answer: 15 psi. Question: oxygen and acetylene cylinders are made of. Answer: steel. Question: high-pressure cylinders used to transport and store acetylene must. Answer: contain acetone. Question: when a butt-welded joint is visually inspected for penetration. Answer: 100% of the thickness of the base metal. Question: annealing of aluminum. Answer: remove stresses caused by forming. Question: edge notching is generally recommended in butt welding above a certain thickness of aluminum because it. Answer: aids in getting full penetration of the metal and prevents local distortion. Question: Too much acetylene is used in the welding of stainless steel. Answer: the metal will absorb carbon and lose its resistance to corrosion. Question: the shielding gases generally used in the gas tungsten arc (GTA) welding of aluminum consist of. Answer: helium or argon, or a mixture of helium and argon.